What stood out to you so far?
Well, they are adjusting the TLTRO program and also what they call the PELTRO program, long-term loans basically to banks. They've lowered the rate on that 50 basis points below the average of the main lending facility, which is 25 basis points right now. So you're looking at a 75 basis point TLTRO rate there. And if you lend on, you can qualify for as much as 50 basis points below the deposit rate, which is a negative 50 basis points now. So you could go down to a negative 1%. They also are announcing this new pandemic emergency purchase program for bonds. They're calling it PELTROs, I guess, as nearly as I can tell, which is an effort, seven additional refinancing operations that basically last for, it looks, 3 to 6 months. They'll be carried out with an interest rate 25 basis points below the average rate on main refinancing operations. Again, 25 basis points. So you can get the banks will be able to get access to more cash, is basically what seems to be the ultimate bottom line of this statement. No change in interest rates, but we're going to make a lot more cash available for banks, and we can make it cheaper if you use that money to then go on and lend.
So just real quick, Mike, McKee, this new pandemic refinancing operation for banks, I mean, how different is that from what they can regularly access?
Well, it seems to be a little bit more focused on the idea of what's happened in the pandemic program. They do run short-term refinancing operations on a every so often basis, so it isn't hugely different from what they have done in the past, but it does seem more focused and also at a lower interest rate than in the past. So at this point, it also, as near as I can tell, they're not following the capital key exactly in this. They'll be able to give more money to the most affected countries like Italy. So at this point, it does look like a targeted operation to get cash where it's needed in the short run right now.